Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll have another episode of DaVinci tips and tricks video, and I'll talk about how to save workspace in DaVinci Resolve. So workspace simply means your interface or layout or settings in DaVinci Resolve. So for example, if you take a look at mine, you can see that there's the media pool right here, and then there's the video clip or video box right here, and then here I have the video audio effects, those options, and then here I have mixer, and then here I have my main timeline, and here I have the tracks like video audio track. So the reason you want to save your workspace, because once you get used to using certain settings or features, you want to go back to those, because it's much easier to work with familiar workspace or settings or interface or layouts. And in DaVinci Resolve you can easily save that, and that's what I'll show you today. So let me just mess up my workspace first, and then I'll show you how you can save it. So here you can see that it shows mixer, and I'm just going to kind of change it to something else, meters, and then I'm just going to switch it to audio, and from here I'm just going to put it to metadata, and then here let's move in like effects, and here you can even kind of remove timeline. So you can see that it's all messed up now, and I don't like the way it looks. I don't want I don't want to go through each of them to reset it back the way it was. So the easy way you can do that, if you've saved your workspace, then you can just recall everything, and you can do that by going to workspace option, which is going to be on the kind of middle upper side, which is right here, workspace. And then if you scroll down right here, layout presets, and I saved my workspace and I named it my basic workspace. So if I click here, it's just going to load my workspace. For example, load preset, and then you can see that it took me back to my original workspace. Now the timeline, I have to just select my timeline 1, and then you can see that it went back to normal, or the one I'm familiar with. Now in order to save workspace, all you have to do, let's say this is your workspace and you'd like to save this. So again, you have to go to workspace option, which is right here, and then you're going to click on it, and then you're going to scroll down to layout presets, which is right here, and then you have to click here, save layout as preset, and then it's going to ask you to give it a name. And once you give it a name, then it's going to appear right here under my workspace, which is going to be layout presets, and it's going to just show up here. So that's how you can save and retrieve workspace in DaVinci Resolve. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.